All right. Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Thursday, August 30th of 2018. For today, just a couple of announcements. First and foremost, we do have a practice fire drill happening today at 1 o'clock, so there will be no alarm going off for this one, just so that we all get to the right areas for our fire drill. We'll actually have an alarm with a fire drill later on in September. We do have some birthdays to announce. So for the following birthdays, to kind of go through these. So for the 29th, so that we had Jamison Moore's birthday. So happy birthday, Jamison. Sorry about that yesterday. I should have included you on yesterday's announcement, but happy birthday to you. And then other August birthdays, we have Jalen Pipple, Elise Variel, Kobe Hughes, Jonathan White, Carly Toft, Jackson Conrad, Olivia Rands, and we got Marcus Christensen and Jamison Moore. So those are all the August birthdays. So happy birthday to you. Hopefully you had a great birthday in the month of August. Hey, boys and girls, just wanted to do something a little fun on a Thursday. So I don't know if many of you have heard something called a Throwback Thursday, but some of you have asked the questions about like, hey, Mr. Mandera, what did you look like when you were a kid? Or what did you do when you were a kid or our age? So I thought I would actually find a picture of somewhat what I had handy of what I could share with you of a picture of when I was a kid. Now the picture that I have is a older one, of course, because I'm old, but it is a picture that I was probably around like 12 years old, 12, 13 years old in this picture. So here it is. Yes, that is me. That's me against the lockers, and actually if you see the crutches on the one side, this is a picture of me when I actually broke my leg. So for all of you out there who want to have a good laugh, yep, it's me. So it's okay to laugh at me because it is kind of funny looking. It was for a dance. I believe it was a 6th grade dance if I remember correctly. But there we are, Throwback Thursday. So maybe some of your teachers will actually bring in some pictures of when they were young and they can show them to their classes. So you should encourage that, and maybe some of them will do that for you. All right, let's go ahead and have our lunch choices. So we have soft beef tacos today, barbecued pulled pork sandwich, and fun on the run. All right, fun on the run. Don't switch your choices around, just making sure, because that is a popular choice. Along with Mexican black beans, broccoli florets, crispy romaine lettuce, apples, bananas, or pineapple, that should be over, sorry, kind of bled over in that other line there, blueberries, and of course, milk. And for our pause today, our students wanted to work on having a positive attitude, so I'll play the video of them for today. All right, boys and girls, what we're working on today for our pause is having a positive attitude. And we have 3 students here that are going to talk about some examples that they have about keeping a positive attitude. Let's start with Levi.
Help other students when they need help. Don't be mean to other people. Don't yell and be nice.
Those are all good examples. So boys and girls, let's make sure that we have very good manners with our friends and being polite and making sure we keep a positive attitude. Great advice, boys and girls. So thank you very much for that suggestion for a positive attitude today. And at this time, let's please take our moment of silence. All right, let's stand for our Pledge of Allegiance, please. Okay, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So at this time, if you haven't done so yet, please stand. Put your hand over your heart. I pledge allegiance
To the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, great job, boys and girls. Great Pledge of Allegiance. Thank you very much. All right, have a great day, boys and girls. It is Thursday. You're almost to actually a 3-day weekend coming up. So let's make it a great day today. And maybe when you go home today, ask for some Throwback Thursday pictures of your parents and see what they look like when they were your age. Have a great day.